Brace yourself, government overhaul massive layoffs to slash federal workforce. From the desk of attorney Omar Zambrano, helping 10,000 families achieve financial freedom in 2025. The newly created Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, led by Elon Musk and VC Ramaswami, aims to cut $2 trillion in government spending. This bold initiative includes streamlining federal operations and reducing redundancies, but it comes at the cost of significant job cuts across federal agencies. Federal workforce impact. The layoffs are expected to impact thousands of employees, destabilizing families and local economies reliant on federal jobs. These cuts, while targeting waste, risk eroding public trust and creating widespread economic challenges. Economic ripple effects. Job losses in the federal sector could trigger increased unemployment, reduce consumer spending, and weaken dependent industries. Families face financial stress, with the possibility of housing instability and reliance on social programs. How the law office of Omar Zambrano can help. Facing financial uncertainty? My team is here to help protect your finances and future. Stop repossession. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy, catch up on missed payments and keep your car. Lender negotiations, secure lower payments or better terms. Restructure debt. Debt settlement, reduce the total amount owed. Bankruptcy solutions, explore Chapter 7 or 13 options. Protect your assets. Financial planning, develop a personalized strategy. Asset protection, safeguard your essential belongings. Call us today at 626-338-5505. Visit omarzambrano.com. WhatsApp +1 626 550 7071. Free consultations. Together, let's overcome challenges and build a brighter, debt-free future. Attorney Omar Zambrano. Legal expertise with a personal touch.